Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the data sufficiency question from the CAT 1999 paper. The question says each question is followed by two statements mark 1 and 2 and mark. So basically it is giving me information about the data sufficiency question, the instruction about the data sufficiency part. So in data sufficiency there will be a question like this here, and there are two statements. You have to see that can one of the statement alone is able to give the answer but the other is not able to give. If that is the case, then answer option A is correct. In the second case, if both of them alone can give the answer, then answer option B is correct. If in the third case, if you combine the data from the two and then are able to answer the question, then answer option C is correct. And in the answer option D is correct when even after combining the data from two parts, you are not able to answer the question. Okay, so now if you look at it, this question says a line graph on a graph sheet shows the revenue for each year from 1990 through 1998 by points and joins the successive points by straight line segments. Okay, the point for revenue of 1990 is labeled A, that of 1991 as B, 1992 is C. Okay, what is the ratio of growth in revenue between 1991-92 and 1990-91? So what I'll do is I will try to draw a graph for it. So years 1990, let me write like this. This is 1991, this is 92, this is 93, 94, so until 98 it is. Okay, why I am not drawing? Because I am only worried from 91, 92 and 1991. So 1990 is A, let this point be A, this be the revenue A. 91 is B, so let this be B. 92 is C, let this be C. Okay. Now it says we have to find the ratio of growth in revenue between 91, 92 and 1991. So if you look at it, growth in revenue, so if I'll just draw the line here first of all. So this is AB and this is BC. Okay. So now over here this is the revenue. This y-axis is revenue, x-axis is the year. So growth in revenue from A to B will be this much, and from B to C it will be this much. Okay, let me call this as K1 and this is K2. Okay, keep in mind this distance, horizontal distance is the same because these are number of years. So if this is Y, this will also be Y. Let me not call it Y because that's the axis. If this is P, then this is also P in this right angle triangle and this right angle triangle. Okay, this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Now it says that we have to find the ratio of growth in revenue. That means we have to find K1 upon K2 between 91, 92 and 1991. 91, 92 is K2, so we need to find K2 upon K1. That is the growth in revenue. Alright, the height is the growth in revenue, that is the higher revenue you get. So K2 upon K1 we have to find. Now the first statement says angle between AB and x-axis when measured with a protractor is 40 degree. AB means this angle, this is 40 degree, and angle between CB and x-axis is 80 degree. Now this is 80 degree. Now actually this is helpful, we can find the answer from here only. So if I have this right angle triangle with 40 degree, this side is P and this is K1. Alright, so I can write P is equal to, if I just take P and K1, just consider P and K1, what is tan 40? Tan 40 is K1 upon P. Okay, so tan 40 degrees K1 upon P, so K1 then not, yeah, so P will be then equal to, or I'll just write K1 then. K1 is equal to, so tan 40 is K1 upon P, so K1 will be P times tan 40 degree. Alright, now we'll look at the other triangle, the bigger one in the sense. Let me draw this other triangle here. this is again P and this is K2, but this is 80 degree. So from here I can write K2 is equal to P into tan 80 degree. And I have to find K2 upon K1. So what is K2? K2 is P times tan 80 degree. K1 is what? P times tan 40 degree. P gets cancelled. Tan 80 and tan 40 can be calculated. So we can find out the ratio as tan 80 divided by tan 40. So one statement is giving me the answer. Okay, now if I look at statement 2, it says the scale of y-axis is 1 centimeter is rupees 100. So it doesn't matter, the scale of y-axis is given to me. From just this statement I can't find the ratio. But from first I am able to find. So answer option A is correct here, where it says that question can be answered by one of the statement alone, but cannot be answered by using the other statement. So answer option A is correct for this question.